Happy birthday, Shen. Wish ko sana palagi kang healthy at mag-aral kang mabuti. Huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo, apo. Lagi kang mag-pray para makamit mo ang pangarap mo sa buhay, apo. I love you, apo, and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Shen. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, you study hard and enjoy your birthday. And God bless you always. I miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shane! Dalaga ka na, mag-aral kang mabuti, sana lagi kang healthy, at syempre laging ma-beauty, at sana wag ka munang magbo-boyfriend. Happy birthday ulit! God bless! Hi, Shanang! Happy birthday! Wishing you a day filled with joy and a year full of wonderful surprises. Take in every moment, enjoy every minute, and make many magical memories. Happy 17th birthday, that is all I can say, and I wish you many happy returns. Have a beautiful birthday. Wag mo nang mag-boyfriend, mag-aral mo nang mabuti. Malagip ko lang idibasik ka, nakamangmangit ka, agkuya-kuyang niyang ka, agawit ka dila unyunin, ta mailidan. Bye-bye! Happy birthday again from Tita in Singapore.
Hello, happy birthday, Shane. Parang kailan lang baby ka nga nagpigsa ti sangit mo kasla ambulansya. Tatabalasan kan. Sana gadal ka nga na siya at kad sana next birthday mo makadwada kan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shane. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day and always have a good health.
Happy 17th birthday, Shane. Wishing you a day filled with laughter, happiness, and love. Always stay kind. Enjoy mo lang ato yung araw mo. Gawid kan. Mailiw ni Mima kanyamon. Aji lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 17th birthday, Shin. More birthdays to come. I hope all your wishes for this year come true. Enjoy every moment of being 17. Do what makes you happy and always follow what your hearts desire. It's been way too long since we last saw each other. Remember that we are always here waiting for you and I hope to see you soon. God bless you always. Gawid kan.
Happy birthday, Ate Shin. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana umuwi ka dito soon sa Pilipinas, and kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, sana hindi mo kami kakalimutan. Kaming mga pinsan mo. And wish ko sa'yo is good health, success, and sana maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. And yun lang. Ingat ka lagi, Ate. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Shin!
Happy birthday, Ate Shen. God bless you with happiness and good health and everything you wish for.
Happy 17th birthday, Shane. I'm wishing you long life, good health, love, happiness, and more success to come. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Shin. More birthdays to come. Happy 17th birthday, Ate Shin. God bless you and I miss you. Happy birthday, Ate Shin. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate Shin. I love you.